Finding the courage to change. What we focus on. What we focus on expands. I know this idea is true because I can look back over my life experience and see how things changed for me. As I gained more mature perspectives, I attracted more mature relationships. As I became more positive, I attracted positive people. In fact, as I became more positive, I seemed to repel people with a negative outlook. When I was focused on resentments and not good enough, all the material things in the world didn't fix that. I didn't know that I was creating my own unhappiness. I didn't see that I judged others because I judged myself, or that I blamed and resented others because I felt blamed and not good enough all of the time. What we focus on expands. This is why I keep my focus on the parade of good. The more I count my blessings, the more blessings I have. The more appreciation and gratitude I feel, the more I have to be grateful for. What we focus on expands. This is why I meditate. Meditation is a practice in focus and attention. When I meditate, I notice my thoughts. Like waves, they come and go. Like waves, they have power and momentum. And like waves, they come in different vibrations. Unhappy, negative thoughts have a lower vibration and a powerful momentum. We can't just shift suddenly from a low vibration to a higher one. First, we calm the mental water with meditation. From there, we can ask our higher power to help us find a better, higher perspective.